nothing, yo, this morning was rough. It was rough this morning. So I put on my Hoosiers, which are my 18-inch slicks that I have, courtesy of your boy Demonology. He hooked me up. And I have those on my 18-inch wheels. Now, remember, my Hellcat is a narrow body Hellcat. I do have the little devil fender flares on them, so they're a little wider. They're 0.75 inch wider, but these flares on the wide bodies from the factory are 1.5 inches wider. So I was gonna try to use my spacers that I have, that I use for Cheapokitty with the flares that I have, because I had to add spacers to push the wheels out, and bro, like, it didn't work whatsoever. And the reason why is because the pocketing on the back of the wheel, my drag radial wheel, the 18-inch wheel that I have, it doesn't have deep enough for the factory studs to go through. So therefore, this morning I had to track down a set of universal spacers. So I put some universal 6mm spacers, because if I don't, what will happen is with the wide body, it'll rub on the inside of the fender liners. So I had to wait until the store opened. Status Motoring, my boy Joel up in North Jersey, he had them, but I had to wait until he opened. So dog, I am super late. I was supposed to be at this track since like 11 a.m. the latest. It is now 1 o'clock and I'm just about to get there. So what that means is I'm not gonna have any setup time, nothing. I'm gonna just have to pull off the road, adjust my rear tire pressures, and do passes, like, and see how it goes from there. I'm not gonna have any like setup, cool down, anytime like that. The good thing about the Redeyes are they have the quick cool down mode from the Demon. So it uses the air conditioning to cool down the system, the supercharger, everything. So I'm gonna put that shit test today, and let's see what the car runs. We'll be at ATCO in about 10 minutes, man. And let's have some fun. All right, let's go. See you at ATCO. All right, let's do this. Let's get a test pass in. See how Killmonger's running. My first time on a drag strip with Killmonger, baby. Let's see how she runs. We're about to do the test pass now. Bad 60 foot, 15960. That's not good at all for this car. It did this weird thing, like the torque converter was like holding on, that it didn't just let it go. Ah, the transmission is in sport, that's why. Got it. I fucked up, y'all, sorry. Transmission is in sport. So it like eased out instead of just launching it. We'll go back around and do another run, like back to back. All right, so we're gonna bump in again. It did it again. Nah, man, something ain't right. 1660 foot again. Car is not leaving hard enough. It's leaving weak. It's leaving very weak. I don't know why. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna let the car cool down, and I just came off the highway. Maybe, I don't know what is going on. I can see that run wasn't right. All right, guys, so that was 2 passes just now. Both of them, just something ain't right. Like, it's leaving, but it's not leaving the way that I know this car leaves. 1660 foot is bad for this car. These cars all day are like you know, low 1.5s. So I'm gonna let it cool down a bit, check a few things, It's hooking good though. I mean, but it could be hooking good because they leave it hard, so that we'll see. Let me let it cool down a little bit and take it from there. Let me see what I ran on that last one. The first run was terrible. It was a 10.9, but traction was on, and I thought I cut it all the way off. I guess I didn't, but yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the hell is going on. I'm gonna set up my race cool down and hope for the best. Back at it again, about to do another pass. See if I can get down. I let the car cool down for a little bit. Ran a quick cool down mode. Let's see if it makes a difference. Now that everything is off, traction is off, power 797, transmission track. See what we got. I need more heat than that. That wasn't enough. There we go. Okay. Guys, so the 60 foot just now was a 158. Oh man, bro, I'm gonna try to leave on launch control. Let's see if it'll, since it's hooking, I'm gonna increase, since it's hooking, I'm gonna increase the RPM until it don't hook, and see if I can get a better 60. I red lit on that one. I did a -1.2, so barely. So yeah, guys, that was a good run right there. Clean. Let's see what it ran though. I'm interested to see what it ran. I'm guessing based on a 60 foot, probably a 10.7, but I got to get down to where this car supposed to be, anywhere from 10.3 to 10.5. Yeah. All right, guys. So there it is. That run was a 10.76 at 127.4. Mile an hour is meh. That's a low mile an hour. Hold on, I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, let me pull up. Give me a second. What lane you taking? What lane you taking?
Which one do you want?
I've been pretty decent in the right.
Want right? All right.
All right.
All right.
You just did like 10.5 in the left, so you good. All right, guys, here we go. We about to run your boy's Stangmode. He's fully gutted. I'm full interior, everything in it. My car today so far, the fastest was a 10.7. His fastest today was a 10.5. So yeah, it looks like your boy might get me today, but you know, we'll see what's up. We'll see what happens, man. Should be a good run either way. All right, guys, here it is. Deep stage by accident. I pushed through. I pushed too hard. A red lit, man. God, man. Yo, this is a good race, bro. This is a good race. This is a good race.
What happened?
I red lit.
I know.
I must have. What it is because I deep stage by accident. It pushed through the brakes on me.
Dude, let's just be 100. Both these cars are fun.
They are. This is a close ass race. Let's go again right now. Holla at it. Let's go. Holla at it. Let's go. All right, guys. We gonna go for it again, man. We gonna go for it again. Good race. I can't red light, but this car really got out just now. If I wouldn't have deep stage, I wouldn't have red lit. It's usually Stangmode that does the red lighting, man. God. Oh well. We're gonna go at it again. Let's go.
1081.
But how much negative did I red light by? Whoa, I red lit by a lot. Holy shit. All right, let's go right now. Let's go right now. Wow, that was good. That was good. That was a good run. Hey, your boy, hey, that GT500 dropped some weight and it got faster, boy. It got faster. He came and got me. That was nice and clean. Good run. No excuses. Very clean run. What y'all think? I think I should strip down the interior while we here and then run it back. Great run. Great run. No complaints. Hot lapping the cars. Both cars, we hot lapped them and they stood up. Great run. He came and got me after the 1,000 foot. I held him off until the 1,000 foot, but great run. Great run. Yo, good man. Good. You came and got me.
Let's do it.
You came and got me.
Hey man, good stuff, dude.
Good run, brother. Good run. Great run.
Thank you.
Wow, my mile an hour is up there too, and you still came and got me.
Listen, man. What was it? Did you red light again?
I did.
All right.
I red lit again. Yo, what it is I usually go on that third, but
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. This car, I don't know if it's because it's hooking what, but this is like out. And that's what's catching, like I'm trying to get that perfect, but it is what it is. You still came and got me though, man. That was awesome.
Yeah, I looked over and I was like, oh, we're pulling by.
Yo, you gotta hear my playback. I'm like, ah! I'm like screaming as you passing me in excitement. But
Oh man, it's a good time. Now we're gonna let them cool off and switch seats.
yeah. I should have stripped my interior out.
All right, do what you gotta do.
Nah. I ain't doing all that. It's too much work, man.
I hear you.
We see the point.
All
The
right.
point is these cars are very, 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 very closely matched.
Yes.
And it's depending on the day, right?
Yep.
So, you know, it is what it is.
Today's the day for the 500.
Today is the day for the 500.
That's today's the day. That's why it's any given, and I mean it's Sunday, but any given track day.
Any given track day, you never know. And that's why, you know, it's fun though.
Yeah.
It's fun.
I'm just very proud of the mile an hour, to be honest with you.
Yo, that is ridiculous.
That is moving.
That is
Stop.
ridiculous.
I ain't gonna front, I'm happy.
Yo, that was fun, man. Running my boy Stangmode again, man. That was a lot of fun. So I did learn, I looked up my VIN, and my car, in fact, does have 262 gears as opposed to 309s. It's something I didn't look at when getting the car. I just love the color and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, I took what was available and I never checked that. So the difference is this car should be running 1030s, 1040s. With my big ass in it, okay, maybe 1050s, but it's running 10.7s. The 60 foot should be somewhere around 1.4s. I'm 1.5s, 60 foot. So the car is running what it's supposed to run in terms of performance wise, because the mile an hour is consistent 129 every time. So it's doing what it should be doing mile an hour wise, and that's where the longer gears come in. But I need the shorter gears so that I could really launch the car. The car doesn't launch as hard. And that's why I couldn't figure out why it felt so different than the purple car I drove in North Carolina. but that purple car has 309 gears and I have 262 gears. So that's the biggest difference. That being said, man, another fun video. So to keep the car stock, I'm not doing any mods, but I will do factory upgrades. So that's going to be one of the first factory upgrades that we do to Killmonger. We're going to put the 309 gears in it so that this way we can run what the car should be running, which is 10.4s consistently is what they generally run, somewhere 10.4, 10.5. So 10.7 is not that far off, but it's not nail on the head. And I think in the morning it probably could have ran a little bit better, maybe a 10.6, but definitely wasn't going to get down to no 10.4s, and that's because of the gears. I just noticed the car does not leave as hard, but car still runs strong, extremely consistent. Very proud of Killmonger and how it does. This is a full weight car versus my boy Stangmode, who he's a real drag racer, man. You got to give it up to somebody who's willing to gut out a GT500. Impressive. Anyway, yo guys, this video was a lot of fun to make. It was another one. We keep bringing these bangers to y'all. And y'all need to make sure that not only are you liking and subscribing, but you sharing. You gotta tell people about this content that we putting out there for y'all. But it's your boy Stefan here from Mod2Fame. And here in Killmonger with the long gears, we out. Who am I kidding? I'm trying to go to the bank in the year and deposit $1 million. Tell me I'm tripping. I ain't worried like I just bought the